Jack, is it on the side?
I'm working with Dr. Connaughton this summer on the effects of Prozac on the startle response of zebrafish.
Behavioral effects of pharmaceuticals getting into freshwater systems. What we're curious about is what happens to pharmaceuticals after they leave the body and/or what happens to pharmaceuticals that are flushed down the toilet. All of this water goes to a water treatment plant which is not designed to take pharmaceuticals out.
And consequently the fish or any aquatic wildlife is going to take it up.
There's something called bioaccumulation where animals can uptake this stuff from the water and then trap it in their bodies.
We treat each fish individually. They are exposed to the Prozac for a set period of time.
We've got a 2.5 gallon tank here, about half full with water. The inside has been whited out, which makes it possible for EthoVision to track the fish, since the fish is darker than the background. We've got the video camera, a standard CCD camera, which is hooked up to a digital video recorder and a monitor over here.
Dump a little rubber ball against the side and track the reactions using EthoVision.
What we're looking at is whether or not Prozac affects the behavior that obviously allows them to escape from a predator or any other startling event.
The ball drop happens around here, and then you can see the swimming velocity peaks because of the startle response.
And looking at changes in swimming velocity and turn angle and those sorts of things.
Our hypothesis is that under the effects of fluoxetine, the swimming velocity would stay relatively stable, which would be indicative of a reduced startle response.
What we're wondering is whether or not the Prozacs make them more likely to be eaten by a predator, to not notice the predator until it's too late.